If you need to change your OpenAI login password, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can update your password safely and get back into your account with no confusion. Whether you want to create a new password or replace your current one, the process is simple once you know where to click. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your OpenAI account settings. Once you're signed in, look for the Security section. This is where OpenAI keeps your password and login-related options. If you're having trouble finding it, take your time and look through the account menu until you see Security. Next, inside Security, find the Password option. This is the part you need if you want to add a password for the first time or change the one you already used to log in. Click on Password to open the Password Update screen. Now you'll see fields where you can enter your new password. Type in the password you want to use, then re-enter it carefully to make sure both entries match exactly. This step is important because even a small typo can prevent the update from going through. A strong password should be something secure and easy for you to remember, but hard for anyone else to guess. After you've entered the password twice, click Continue. OpenAI will process the update, and if everything is correct, your password will be changed successfully. At that point, your login credentials will be updated, and you can use the new password the next time you sign in. If you were changing your password because you forgot the old one or you're trying to improve account security, this is also a good time to review your account protection settings. Make sure your recovery options are up to date and always store your password somewhere safe if you use a password manager. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your OpenAI login password in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.